Hello there, YouTubers. Back again with another video. This one is also going to be non-washing machine related. Today we're working on my 2021 Ktm Duke 390, and we're going to install this quick shifter from Powertronics. It's a pretty simple installation, but just in case you don't feel like looking at their very uninformative diagram online, here's a quick video for you. That's in perfect English. Well, relatively perfect English. First, you're going to take an 8mm to these 3 bolts. Line them up in orientation. They came off. And then this Allen key is a 6mm. And you're gonna take a 10mm open box wrench, or I already loosened this guy, but it's 10mm. Screw that holds the shifter on. And you're gonna take the sensor itself. Funny thing is, the instructions call for a washer, but it didn't come with a washer. But I had one of a acceptable size that would work. And you just thread the new bolt and the sensor in place of the old one. It does not specify like what direction or anything it needs to be facing in, but in the interest of keeping this out of harm's way, I'm gonna point, I don't know if you can see this, yeah, I'm gonna point the sensor straight up, or relatively, and then I'm gonna go under the chain guard, or on top of it, into the bike frame. Hopefully there's enough space in here. Oh yeah, there's more than enough. And my sensor, my quick shift sensor from the Powertronic unit, is sitting right here. I'll just go ahead and click that in. I'm gonna zip tie it a little later, once everything is finalized. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. But now you can take out the guesswork that I once had. Now, they're stressing that you do not put this sensor on tight or super tight. If I'm not mistaken, oh, it's right here. So they're saying either 5 to 6 Newton-meters of torque. The problem with me using a torque wrench is there's no space to put on a socket here next to the gear casing. Fortunately, they give you like this diagram, like a 120-degree turn once it's finger tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and implement that, and yeah, call it a day. So let's just start over. So it's finger tight now. I'm gonna go from this angle to about when it's touching the muffler. It's approximately 120 degrees. Everything moves freely. There's enough play here. And go ahead and put your chain guard back on. Hopefully my wire doesn't interfere with this. Oh no. Looks like my wire's gonna interfere with this. Oh. Barely. It still works out. These are all indeed the same size, so. Okay, everything seems to be moving freely. Let's go ahead. And you're done. That's the physical installation of the quick shifter for the 2021 KTM Duke 390. Everything else is left to do in software. And I guess leave a comment if you guys want me to do a tutorial on that. I have no idea how to do that yet, but I'm about to learn. And if need be, I'll go back and redo it just to film more content for it. I guess just let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. Alright, thanks for tuning in, and hope this helps someone else out. Take care. Later.